Oh yeah, Daddy. This is how it's all gonna go wrong. This is gonna how we're not gonna get out of here on time because we're going to the ER. Hey, Bryce. Bryce is mad at Daddy for stealing the show. All right.
Oh, Alright, we're gonna be quiet. Alright, stop, mommy. Just watch the action.
Bryce, Mike, how many times?